Hello, I'm Melissa, and I'm excited to share our research about the effects of variable and consistent traffic noise on the sleep behavior of a free-living songbird, the great tit. Importantly, despite the well-documented and diverse effects of anthropogenic noise on animal behavior, research effort has focused on the waking phase, leaving the implications of noise exposure during rest and recovery periods poorly understood. Sleep is a widely conserved characteristic that fulfills critical functions in cellular repair and memory consolidation. Thus, disruptive effects of noise on sleep have the potential to have wide-reaching and cascading effects, and addressing the lack of research effort in this area is an urgent research objective. We performed the first field experiment in free-living animals to examine the effects of noise exposure on nocturnal sleep. To this end, we used a repeated measures field experiment involving first recording sleep behavior under ambient noise conditions and subsequently in the presence of two different noise regimes. Specifically, we were interested in whether more variable versus more consistent traffic noise would have a more pronounced effect on sleep. In addition, for a subset of individuals, we also assessed the contingency that higher amplitude noise, that is 80 versus 70 dB, would have stronger deleterious effects on sleep. We found that great tits exposed to noise displayed pronounced alterations in sleep behavior, sleeping for a lesser amount and proportion of time, and displaying shorter, more fragmented sleep bouts. There was some evidence for larger effects of variable versus consistent noise on sleep, especially for sleep proportion and sleep bout length, and there was clearly a more pronounced effect of higher amplitude noise. In addition, our repeatability analysis revealed strong individual differences in sensitivity to noise, with some individuals displaying relatively consistent sleep patterns across noise conditions, and others being consistently more disrupted by noise exposure. Furthermore, the sleep of older birds was more sensitive to variable noise exposure than that of younger individuals. In conclusion, our study demonstrates pronounced effects of noise exposure on sleep in a free-living bird, providing motivation for mitigation efforts. We also found that different noise regimes have non-equivalent effects on sleep, with a larger effect of higher amplitude noise, and some evidence suggesting a larger effect of more variable noise. Thus, understanding different patterns of noise production across the landscape may be important to management. Finally, individuals differed in their sensitivity to noise. Revealing the basis of these differences is an important area for future research. For more details, please see our published work, accessible via the provided DOI.